Welcome back to Daily English Prism, real English for real-life situations.
This is episode 2, a continuation from episode 1. If you haven't watched the previous episode about ordering coffee, make sure you check it out. Hi there, could I see the food menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Our special today is the grilled chicken sandwich.
That sounds nice. What comes with it?
It's served with a side of chips and a small salad.
Great. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Just a glass of water, thank you.
No problem. I'll bring it to your table in a few minutes.
Let's look at a few key phrases from the conversation. 1. Could I see the menu, please? A polite way to ask for the menu. 2. What comes with it? This means, what is included in the meal? 3. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich. A natural way to order food, instead of saying I want. 4. Just a glass of water, thank you. Use just to show you don't want anything extra.
You've just learnt how to ask for food at a cafe. Well done.
In episode 3, we'll practice asking about ingredients in English. Don't miss it!
Give us a like, subscribe now, and tap the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching Daily English Prism. See you in the next episode.